Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nona Tasha binti Muhammad Johari and my matrix number is 198701. Today I will present on industrial training at Institute of Bioscience, University Kedah, Malaysia. And my industrial supervisor is Encik Muhammad Farhan Nazaruddin. Today I will presenting on firstly introduction, which is about company background and the reason why I select the company, and secondly the internship activities, which is the activity performed during internship, and third a reflection, the overview of internship experience, and lastly the conclusion. Firstly, introduction. Okay, first of all I will talk about the company background. Institute of Bioscience is the first research institute to be formed at UPM, which was founded on August 1st, 1996. And IBS was founded as a center for the advancement of graduate training in the biological sciences as well as research excellence. The formation of IBS aims to boost the national research and technology capabilities as well as human capital development. There are 4 labs, which is firstly aquatic animal health and therapeutics laboratory, Aqua Health. Secondly, medicine and nature product research laboratory, Nature Meds. Thirdly, vaccine and biomolecule laboratory, VetBio. And fourthly, UPM Cancer Research Laboratory, Magna, which is CARES. Okay, next I will present on the reason selecting a company. Institute of Bioscience will accept students who are interested to intern or those students which are compulsory to have industrial training to complete their study. Industrial training student will be placed in the department which is according to the student interest or student related field. In the Institute of Bioscience expertise in various of field in research. There are several laboratories or units which offer different research services. As an environmental student, I was placed in Aquatic Animal Health and Therapeutics Laboratory, Aqua Health, which is the most stable and also in my interest. So the Aqua Health Laboratory, or known as Mars Lab, plays an active role in providing specialized training to staff, students, and the public, covering various topics related to marine science and aquaculture. Next, I will talk about the internship activities. Firstly, the internship activities that I've been assigned is about lab management. I had assigned to manage the safety attaché SDS list for laboratories, which involve 2 laboratories in Aqua Health, molecular laboratories, and also management laboratories. So I have to search and compile the SDS according to the chemical of each lab in Microsoft Excel. Okay, next I learn about the lab protocols and also the waste management. After every analysis, I had to follow the lab protocols and also dispose the waste from the test analysis according to the protocols. So the outcome is that I will able to expose myself on lab management. Secondly, the other internship activities I have been assigned is existing research project. I'll be able to get opportunity to assist in performing water quality analysis. Secondly, assist in processing, packing, and labeling soil samples for analysis. And thirdly, assist in processing and preparing brown seaweed samples. The outcome is that I'll be able to gain knowledge and skills regarding the research, and also I'll be able to learn how to use various of equipment, machines, and apparatus that was used during the experiment. So according to the picture, that was when I performed the total ammonia nitrogen test analysis. Uh, and the reading is taken by using the spectrophotometer. Thirdly, the other internship activities is I'll be able to get to assist in field work. I'll be able to join to sampling the water samples at Port Dickson for 3 months. From the account, I'll be able to gain experience on sampling water samples, and also learn how to collect data in C2 parameter, water quality parameters, and also I'll be able to learn how to use various of equipment, machines that was used during the sampling. For example, as in the picture, I was using a Psyche disk to measure the transparency of the water quality. And lastly, the other internship activities that I have been able to join is able to join other institute and department activities. One of the activities is Hari Raya event at IBS. I help to set up and decorate my department tables, which is shown in the picture, and the others are the staff and the students in Aqua Health department. I also help to set up the department information board at the main office, and I also be able to get to join Google program, which is the program for to clean up the conservatory part at the IBS. So for the account is that I get to know staff and student uh, from the same laboratory, and also from the other laboratories. Next, I will present on reflection. Next is the review of internship experience. Firstly, I acquired a substantial amount of invaluable knowledge and experience that I had not yet acquired during my studies. So I had been exposed with water quality analysis and assessment during my internship, and I also be able to perform helping the research team to process the soil samples from Chini Lake, and also be able to help my supervisor to prepare the brown seaweed samples. Secondly, I be able to learn how to use various of machine, equipment, and apparatus in laboratories. Uh, I I had also learned a lot on water quality assessment and water quality analysis. During the test analysis, there are many machines such as spectrophotometer, autoclave, centrifuge, and others. And also during the water quality assessment, during the sampling, I be able to learn how to collect data in situ water quality parameter. Okay, thirdly, I get to know many people during the internship. Um, I am thankful that I have the opportunity to experience doing my internship with other staff and students. I was able to explore a lot of things during the internship thanks to this opportunity. Next is the conclusion. Okay, next is the conclusion. Firstly, this industry training helps students feel and enjoy the working environment while also allowing them to expand their knowledge. And secondly, this industry training assists me in further exploring and researching my individual professional objective. And thirdly, I think that this internship in Institute of Bioscience is suitable for students to gain their experience. This is the video I have been taken during the internship. This is the first day of my internship. My supervisor showed me around the laboratories, and this is the fish tank uh, behind the outside of the laboratory. Okay, this is the doing the sampling at Port Dickson. This is the phytoplankton samples was taken by using plankton net. It was attached to the boat. Okay, this is during I was filtering the water samples taken from Port Dickson. We collect the we collect the water, and after we arrive at IBS, we filter it to for analysis such as nutrient and total suspended solid, and also chlorophyll A. This is how I filter the water by using the multiple vacuum filtration and vacuum pump. Okay, this is when I perform a total ammonia nitrogen analysis. Okay, this is when I perform a chlorophyll A extraction. It had to be done in a dark place so that the chlorophyll A does not absorb light. Okay, this is after the extraction. After 24 hours of extraction, I used to take the reading the absorbance by using the spectrophotometer. Okay, that is all. Thank you for watching my internship video.